Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing off what the Focus ST sounds like now with its new tune from Stratified. So it is on E30 now, and I also went with the progressive pops and crackles option that they have for $15. Just to note that they do have two versions of it. They have the loud version and the progressive one. I went with the progressive. Each of them are $15 on top of the normal tune, which is $85. I also went with the $50 option for increased torque. They claim 20 extra wheel torque, which is cool, so I went with that, so that was an extra $50. But yeah, so they have the two options, loud and progressive. So before I purchased this, I went on YouTube and I tried to look up some sound clips of what the loud version sounds like. And most people were running the loud one, and personally I didn't really like the sound of it. I thought it was a bit too loud and a bit obnoxious at times. It seems like the pops and crackles don't really stop. They just go on indefinitely after you let off the gas. And with the progressive version, the pops and crackles only go for about like 1 second max, unless you put your foot back onto the pedal and let off again, which I really like that. And they sounded a bit quieter, and it's called progressive because the pops get louder the farther your RPMs go up and then you let off, which I thought it was a really nice feature. So yeah, I went with the progressive one, and I will shut up in a minute and I'll let you guys listen to what that sounds like with the windows down. I'm gonna drive a bit slower so the wind noise isn't really an issue. But yeah, so I initially bought the pops and crackles as a joke because I've heard Focuses with them before and I thought they sounded bad. I don't know, personally I was just like, I didn't really like the sound of that, but I'm sure there's people out there that do enjoy the sound of that, and that's great. I'm not trying to take anything away from that. It's just not for me. But since putting it on, I was pleasantly surprised on how good it sounds. And I think it has something to do with my setup, because I am running the stock downpipe still, and I'm running a Borla Catback Exhaust. So I think that might have something to do with it. And overall, I think it sounds great. So I think the progressive version sounds excellent. Who knows what the loud version would sound on this car? Who knows? That might also sound great. And maybe the YouTube videos I was watching maybe didn't do it justice. But I went with the progressive one, and hopefully you guys enjoy. And comment down below if you like how it sounds now. Sick Fiesta, and that Fiesta was the same color as mine. That thing looked nice. Ooh, that was a loud one. also do what just first gear sounds like and letting off at like 50 or 5,000, 5,500 RPM. So those are pretty fucking loud. I'll do it again. That was 3,500, here's 5,000. Yeah, pretty loud. Alright guys, so that is it for this video of showing you what the car sounds like now. I think the car sounds fantastic now. Let me know down below in the comments if you hate how it sounds. Maybe not everybody likes this. I have certainly enjoyed it the last couple days that I've ran this on my car. But yeah, upcoming videos. I think my friend John, who has the Velossa, and I think he has some footage on his GoPro capturing the Focus doing some drive-bys with this tune on there, so you can kind of hear what it sounds like from an outside perspective from a different car. So I'm gonna get that from him, and I'll probably upload that as a separate video. And then I'm also thinking about recreating one of I think my very first video I ever made on this channel, which was mounting the GoPro to the back bumper and aiming it at the exhaust, because I did that to show what the Borla exhaust sounded like way back then. I think I'm going to do that again, but with these with the progressive pops and crackles tune on there. So I think that'll be interesting. That'll probably be a short, like 4-minute video. If people are curious, I'll just put that out. But yeah, so that is going to be it for this video, guys. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.